Kill termites inside walls without drilling, science, limitations, and access points. Boric compounds, boric acid/borate, have documented long-term efficacy as wood preservatives and insecticides. Discovered centuries ago and developed for structural protection by naval and preservation programs, borates penetrate wood and render cellulose indigestible to termites and other wood-destroying insects. Peer-reviewed studies and field trials have repeatedly shown lethal effects on major termite species at low concentrations and long-lasting protection when the borate is fixed inside timber or applied with an appropriate carrier. Two practical delivery approaches are described. First, fine borate dust applied into existing wall cavities and structural access points, electrical outlet openings, plumbing penetrations, attic top plates, crawlspace sill plates and joists, and baseboard gaps, disperses through stud bays to coat exposed wood surfaces and interrupt infestations without drilling new holes. Second, borate solutions formulated with a non-volatile glycol carrier penetrate seasoned wood fibers by capillary action and remain locked inside the cellulose, providing deeper and more permanent timber protection than water-based treatments. Boric treatments are effective for prevention and for early to moderate infestations where structural members retain integrity. They do not repair wood loss from advanced, long-active colonies. Severely damaged structural elements require professional assessment and remediation prior to or alongside treatment. Standard professional approaches often include routine inspections, retreatment agreements, and expensive liquid barrier or tenting services. Borate materials are also used in commercial formulations, but industry pricing and regulatory classification limit direct retail access in many markets. Practical considerations include identifying likely termite entry points, treating accessible structural members in attics and crawl spaces, and understanding local regulations and product labeling. Borates are low in acute toxicity compared with many conventional pesticides, yet safe handling, correct product selection, and adherence to label instructions are essential. Homeowners should balance DIY prevention options with professional evaluation when structural damage, active widespread infestation, or local regulatory restrictions are present.